So many ways to use the Barracuda clips. Let's start with the fringe section. Isolate the section, comb it out of the way, grab your comb clip, open it, make sure the comb is touching the scalp. Again, isolate your area, open the clip, make sure the comb is touching the scalp, take your left thumb and slide it up out of the way. Let's take a parietal ridge from the top to the bottom. Open your clip, make sure the comb is touching the scalp. Left thumb, push and secure out of the way. Could be on any angle of the head. Again, comb touching scalp, left thumb, push out of the way. Here's an angular section again. Comb touching the scalp, left thumb, slide out of the way. Clean palette. How about hair extensions? Parietal ridge, grab your comb clip, on an angle, make sure it's touching the scalp. Left thumb, push out of the way. Perfect platform for clean sectioning for your hair extension.